Stop wasting money on fat burning tea when you can actually do it at home. Hello guys, welcome to the Shankari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. Or if you are seeing this video for the first time, it means you are very lucky, okay? Guys, this is place you need to be because this is where we talk about herbs and spices and all natural recipe you can think about, okay? Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't lose anything in this channel going forward. And also share this video so that a lot of people too can benefit, okay? To my returning viewer, thank you very much. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking to this channel, all right? So today I have a very great update for you guys, okay? Very great update. You know, this place is full of updates, okay? Now today I want to talk about fat burning. There are certain things you can do on your own at home, okay? There are things you can do on your own at home. Now most times I talk about herbs, but I discover a lot of people don't have access to all these herbs because of where they live. That's why you see me most times I always add spices. Sometimes I make video on spices as well so that you can easily get all these spices wherever you are. If you don't have it, you can get it in store. You can get it online as well. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this. This is green coffee bean. That's green coffee beans, okay? So most times you see this thing on some weight loss tea, you will see this green coffee bean there. I'm just showing you this guys update because you guys are following me. So I need to show you guys that you can actually do this thing at home. This is green coffee. Now, this green coffee is loaded with a lot of antioxidants, okay? It's loaded with high level of antioxidants. It will boost your metabolism. It's going to suppress your appetite for food, so you will not crave for food, okay? It will also increase your energy level. It will control your blood sugar and also lower your cholesterol level. This green coffee is very powerful. So one good thing about this is purely natural. It's natural. There is no chemical added to it. So stop wasting money on fat burning tea when you can actually do it at home yourself. Okay, you can do it at home. So now, how do you prepare this tea yourself? One, get this green coffee. Once you get this green coffee, because this seed is a little bit strong, it's not really easy to dry. So what you do is turn it into a pot, a dry pot or a dry pan, okay? Without adding anything to it, do as if you want to fry it, allow it to roast for some few minutes. After that, bring it down, allow it cool, blend it into powder, then put it in a container. So when you want to take it, take a teaspoon, put it in a teacup, add hot water to it, allow the water to cool a little bit to the extent you can drink it so that you don't burn your tongue, okay? Take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and last thing at night before going to bed. Do it for a couple of days. You will see the wonder of nature. You will definitely come back here and testify. Do not forget to share this video. Share it for other people to see. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.